Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to Komodo Cruisin. So, as you see, who we got here, we're taking him to his first service. I know it's been a long time. I haven't been doing it like I'm supposed to, but I really haven't had time. My schedule at work has really changed, and yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and record on the way there. Probably won't yap as much. I'll probably start a little bit, and then once I get in the highway, I'll just let you guys enjoy the ASMR sounds of this beautiful bike. So yeah, I will take more footage when I get there, so stay tuned. What's up guys? So we are here at Monkey Moto, like I mentioned. We're getting our first service for Komodo. Check it out. Motorcycle art. There it is, Monkey Moto. Alright, we're about to go inside real quick. And we're gonna see if we get a little backstage access. Nah, just to go in the back of the shop to see if we can check out Komodo getting service. So stay tuned for that, alright? Alright, what's up guys? So we are here at the Monkey Moto like I mentioned, and I got these really cool Superveloces behind me on display. They got every single one. They got the base model, they got the S in a silver and in a black, and then of course they have the super limited edition, and then they also have another cool European limited version of yellow in the back, which is super cool. And then of course, you know, you gotta go to that beautiful beast right there. That one is a one of a kind, 1 of 500 actually, but that's beautiful. Look at that. So, if you notice though, what I noticed about this silver one, it's got like gold flakes in the paint, and it kind of reflects super cool. Obviously, you know, we got the gold frame, and then this silver, and like I said, you probably can't even tell in the video, but it's got a really cool kind of pearlescence to it that looks kind of goldish. So I actually really like this color. I think it looks nice, and if you guys are looking into one of these Superveloces, like, y'all need to come over here, check these out. Of course, you got this beautiful red, classic traditional look of an MV, you know, classic colors with the silver and the red. So that looks good and amazing, but let's check out this yellow. This yellow looks crazy, and I really like it. This silver's kind of got like a little matte silver to it. It's kind of paint. It looks pretty cool, pretty crazy. So yeah guys, this is where you need to be if you're looking at trying to get an MV Superveloce and or any other MV. They got crazy, they got F3s over there, they got an F4 over there, it's beautiful. A bunch of Brutales, a Rush. That Rush is insane. So yeah, definitely need to check it out. They got an RC and a couple of the 800s, so make sure y'all stop by and check these bad boys out. Alright guys, so just got the first service done. Check it out, it's done. So just so you guys can have an idea of what it looks like to get service done here. Let me put it out right here so you guys can see real quick. Alright, so if you own an MV Agusta, you're going to be paying, oh no! Alright, if you own an MV Agusta, so me, I ended up getting just a general inspection and a 600-mile service, which is the first one. It ran me $363. Alright, for this beautiful beast. Now, remember that it's an MV. You know, you're not going to get a lot of places that, one, can do it, and two, I mean, you're paying for quality. So at least in my book, that's how I feel. And I love Monkey Moto. They always treat me good here. They're always super nice, super cool. They take care of me. Kristen, especially at the parts desk, took care of me. I had to get an AB Moto little piece for right here so that I can get my quad lock mounted right there. And so I also got that as well with today's service. And I ended up getting one of my lights fixed. It was under warranty, so it's all good to go. So I always recommend that you guys get your service done at the dealership. I know sometimes it gets a little too pricey with some of these bikes, but when you got something like this, something that's beautiful, I mean, look at this, something this amazing. If you got something like this and you end up getting one of these Superveloces, make sure you're hitting up your dealer. If you're in the Texas area, Monkey Moto does a great job taking care of you guys. All right, so what else did I want to mention? Yeah, oh, so a little bit of the pricing. Like I said, it's a little expensive, but it's part of the game. I mean, you don't ride bikes just to, you know, yes, it's fun, just it's exciting, but it's also, you want to keep riding forever. So, and I want this bike forever, so I want to make sure I take care of it, make sure you do the proper service, do all that jazz, and yeah, so